Marc St. Regis here with Studio Electronics at the Noise Bug booth, and we're showing off our 30th anniversary MIDIMini. What to say first? Well, it's the way we wanted to do it from the beginning 30-some years ago. Make the wiring harness modular and everything else easy plug and easy service, and so we finally pulled that off, and we decided to go with some patch points along the bottom, CV out, the LFO out, which is our digital LFO from the Boom Start, 9 waveforms, syncs to MIDI, and there's a nice little patch out here with a mount, so you can enjoy that. CV in, main CV in, you can also patch it paraphonically and drive the individual CVs. Noise out, oscillator 1 out, so oscillator 1 can now be a modulator. External input, which is also the shares a pot with the feedback gain. The feedback loop here, the old output running into itself through the external input preamp, and then back through the filter. Hardwired and pretty. It also interacts with our saturation amp drive. And what else along the bottom here? VCF CV. And I've got the LFO out patched into that, giving it some movement.
So it is
envelope 2 out, just to finish. Gate in, gate out, VCA CV.
It is entirely kind of pre-patched anyway. You don't need to.
Yeah, right. Yeah. This is all just for blowing it up, exploding it out, and inner patching it with outs to outs. So yeah, that the architecture is near identical in every detail from the beloved Mini. And there's some independent release control, which is nice here. Drone feature.
Is this kind of your own format? Because this is not a 5U format like this. It's kind of 4U, right?
19-inch, rack space format. Yeah. Much used and beloved in the 90s and into the 2000s.
Excellent.
So yeah, the mixer's pretty much the same thing, although as we added the amp drive, and you can whip the triangle around the filter, which is nice when on these ladder filters, when you bring the emphasis, you do tend to lose a little at the bottom end. Color section is interesting. Envelope 1 to oscillator 2 for sweeping. You can sync oscillator 1 to oscillator 2, oscillator 3 to oscillator 2 cross mod, ring mod, and then the noise level. So let's listen to a little bit of this.
Yeah, let's hear a bit of it.
Here. So we have the noise popping in there. Patching into the gate in. Okay. All right, into the envelope 2 out, which makes it kind of suck and breathe a little bit. Put that beef on there. Bring some feedback up. It's pretty transient. You can bring it down here with the gain. Ease it back in. Put the amp drive on. That really has that beep. That's our saturation circuit from our amp module.
So in terms of connection around the back, what have we got?
Oh, the high impedance audio out, MIDI in and through, pretty basic. The focus is on the analog circuits.
So
and thank you for visiting with us.
Is it available now?
It is. It's been shipping. Actually, the first unit shipped last week, and so someone was lucky enough to get 1 and 2. Tim Kelly, and I think we're up to 9 or 10 now. This is the very beginning, but we're glad to have it back in the family. Did the world need another Mini monosynth? Yes, if it sounds like this. And I have it set up in sort of a wild and free way, but it does all the traditional bass lines and leads and the traditional MIDIMini territory is all covered, and it's gorgeous. Probably the best sounding synth we've made, maybe ever. I don't know.
Marc, thank you very much.
Thank you.